Very good morning, friends. Myself, Dr. M.H. Annaya, and in today's video, we are going to learn about the projection of a rectangular pyramid which is resting on one of the smaller triangular faces on HP. So, the question reads like this: a rectangular pyramid with base measuring 50 by 30. The long edge will be 30, 50, and the other one will be 30. Height is 60. Height is measured from the vertex to the center of the base. This is O1, this is O1. Rests on one of its smaller triangular faces. So, friends, if you just observe any other pyramid apart from this rectangular pyramid, all other pyramids will have on the lateral surface all isosceles triangles, and all these will have the same size. In other words, for example, if you take a square pyramid, it will have four triangles, isosceles triangles on the lateral surface. If you take pentagon, it will have five. But all of them will have the same size, same base, same vertical height. But only in case of the rectangular pyramid, you will have four triangular faces, and here the opposite triangular faces will have the same dimension, and of these four, two will have one size, other two will have different size. So there are two larger triangular faces like this black one and this, and two smaller triangular faces. That is the difference between any other pyramid and the rectangular pyramid. In the question it says it has to rest on one of its triangular faces on HP. So it is possible to make it to rest on HP on one of the triangular faces only when one of the shorter edge of that is towards the right side of the observer. So friends, I place the pyramid on HP such that one of the shorter edges, which has got a measurement of 30 mm, is perpendicular to the VP. So friends, in the top view, you obtain a rectangle with vertex joined to all the four corners, and in the front view, you get a triangle. So let us start with the top view of the pyramid. So top view is going to be a rectangle of dimension 50 mm by 30 mm. So 30 mm is the smaller side and 50 millimeter is the larger side of that base. So we will just mark this dimension as 50 by 30, and we will name these corners as A, B, C and D. This is the base of the pyramid, and if we join these diagonals A to C and B to D, you will get a common point of intersection called O, the vertex, and mark for the center of the base and the point O1. So O1, O represents the top view of the axis. Friends, here let's obtain the corresponding base and the front view. If you draw vertical lines from here, friends, you will get A dash comma B dash on XY. Here you will get C dash comma D dash, and hence this line A dash B dash C dash D dash will have a measurement of 50 mm, and this represents the base of the rectangular pyramid. So from here, to obtain the front view, let us draw the axis of the solid which has got a height of 60 millimeter, and I will call this as O dash. O dash is at a height of 60 mm from here. So I will draw a horizontal line and show the height of this solid, that is 60 millimeter. And friends, I am going to join this vertex to all the corners. So I have to join O dash to A dash, O dash to B dash, O dash to C dash, and O dash to D dash. So OA dash or O dash A dash, O dash B dash, O dash C dash, and O dash D dash represent the four slant edges of the pyramid. And friends, here you should observe that this is O1, the center of the base, and the axis is perpendicular to HP. Friends, he says in the question, it has to rest on one of its triangular faces on HP, that is on XY. So, which is a triangular face? Friends, here, if you see this last line, O dash, C dash, D dash, represents a smaller triangular face. Smaller triangular face. And friends, that smaller triangular face is at an angle to HP, is inclined to HP. So friends, it has to rest on HP. So what is to be done? We have this, we have got the front view like this, a triangle, and here it has to rest on the short or smaller triangular face. So friends, it was like this. I am going to rotate like this so that it will rest on the triangular face, the smaller triangular face on HP, and the other triangular face and the base of the solid are completely visible in the top view. So friends, in drawing, what we do, we are going to redraw this triangle. Say this is figure number 1, front view, as figure number 2, wherein this O dash, C dash, D dash representing one of the smaller triangular face to rest on HP. Friends, I am going to draw a triangle here. This triangle will have this dimension, the point A dash, B dash here, C dash, D dash, and this is O dash. This is the axis of the solid. You can observe, friend, the figure number 2, what I have drawn here is the photocopy of this triangle in the front view. But only thing is, this triangular face O dash, C dash, D dash, which was at an angle to HP, is lying on HP, or it is resting on HP. I'll just mark down here as triangular face on HP. So, O dash, C dash, D dash is a triangular face that is on HP. But in the question, now let's see how does it look in the top. Friends, when you look this object from the top, you will be able to see the complete base A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, and also these slant edges O dash, A dash, O dash, B dash. So first of all, let us obtain the top view of the base, which is completely visible. So friends, I write a vertical line from here, a horizontal line from here. On this line A and B, this is point A, same way this is point B. So AB is one of the edges of the base. Sorry, this is CD. I'm sorry, this is CD, C comma D. AB is here. So we should be very careful in case of these pyramids. What happens? See, AB was here, now it is moved down to the other side. So you have to be very careful while marking them also. This is A, this is B, this becomes C and D. Sorry, this is C and this point is B. So this ABCD represents the top view of the base of the pyramid when it is lying on triangular face on HP. We can also mark here O1, the center of the base, by drawing a line from here. Exactly in the center, you are going to get this O1. So we have got the base, friends. On the same line, let us obtain the vertex here, or draw a vertical line from O dash, a horizontal line from here. The point where those two intersect is the point O. So I am going to join this O to all the corners A, B, C, D. So I will join O to A, O to A I have joined, O to B I am going to join, O to C and O to D I have to join. Friends, if you observe, when you are joining O to D, this line O to D, OD, intersects this vertical line, which is already a visible line. So, whenever two lines intersect, if one of them is a visible line, other has to be an invisible line. So, I am going to show this OD by a dotted line. Likewise, even OC to be shown by a dotted line, because this OC is also not visible since it is cutting there. So friends, you have got the top view of the pyramid when it is resting on one of the smaller triangular face on HP. So this is the top view, and this will give you the front view. But the third part of the question, it says the base edge of that face is inclined at 30 degrees to VP. Friends, you know very well, O dash, C dash, D dash is a triangular face which is on HP. C dash, D dash in the front view represents the front view of the short edge. The same CD is here, and you observe this CD, the shorter base edge of that triangular face is perpendicular to VP. It is perpendicular to VP. But it says it has to be inclined at 30 degrees to VP. And you know very well, inclination to VP can be seen in the top view. So friends, I am going to reproduce this figure number, say 3, as figure number 4 by drawing this top view. By drawing this top view with CD making an angle of 30 degrees with the vertical plane. So friends, let me write down that 30 degree line anywhere along this axis. So this is at an angle of 30 degree. And friends, on this I should mark this CD coming on that line. CD will have a measurement of 30 very obviously. So this is 30 is that point C comma D. This is CD is that last line. Parallel to that should be AB at this gap. This can be measured and plotted there. So this should be towards here. Okay, I will mark a rectangle here. So this is going to have a dimension of this much, this CB in the top view. So this is B, this is C. Friends, you have got ABCD the base. You locate the center. This is center O. By drawing these diagonals, you can call this as O1. So friends, where is that? O is towards that BAB. So CD I have marked. This is CD, then comes AB, sorry. This is AB. A, B, C, D. In clockwise I have taken. AB is inside. And then towards AB only you should get O. So what the measurement? You have the measurement from here to here. You can take that measurement along this line drawn perpendicular to that. So friends, we have got this O, the vertex. So I have to join this O to all the corners. So join O to A, O to B, same as this O to A, O to B. OD and OC are invisible lines. So show them by dotted line, both OC and OD. And friends, this will give you the final top view of the rectangular pyramid. Friends, once you have this, you can just get the final front view by taking the points one by one. So let me start with one of them. So let me locate where A and B are. So to get A dash and B dash, draw a horizontal from here. So on this A and B should lie. So a vertical line from here, a horizontal line from this end. The point where these two intersect is the point A dash. Then B, draw a vertical line from B. So this is a vertical line from B. horizontal line from B dash, the point of intersection will give you B dash. So you have got A dash, B dash. On the same lines, C and D, C dash and D dash should lie on X, Y. So how to get them? So draw a vertical line from C, horizontal line from C dash. You will get this point as C dash. So I will mark it here, C dash. Then comes D dash here. So this is point D dash. You can mark it here, D dash. So we got 4 points, A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash. And we have to join all these D dash and mark it. Okay friends, 4 corners we have got A, B, C, D. And now finally I have to mark this vertex. Where is the vertex of this? O is here. Draw a vertical line from O, a horizontal line from O dash. They will meet somewhere here. So friends, we have to join this O, the vertex, to all the corners. So I will join O dash to B dash by a full line, O dash to C dash, O dash to D dash, D is here. Then A dash to D dash. We also join this O to A. O to A is near the observer, that is visible. So I can just join this by a full line. So I join O to A also. Friends, here you have got O dash, a horizontal from here, a vertical from here. The point of intersection will give you O1 dash, the center of the base. This is the axis of the solid. So friends, I have joined O dash to C dash, O dash to D dash, O dash to A dash, O dash to B dash. Friends, we have got all the 4 corners of the solid. And friends, here A to B is joined, B to C to be joined. The C is here, D is here. What happens when you are joining B to C, like our A to B? It is intersecting with O dash, A dash, which is already a full line because that is nearer to the observer. Hence, this B dash, C dash should be shown by an invisible line, a dotted line. So obviously, this line will be parallel to this will be parallel to this, and they will have the same measurement. Friends, here you have got the front view of the solid, FV. This is the final top view of the solid. And before we conclude, we have to check whether the solution we have got is correct or not. That can be seen only in the final front view and top view. Friends, you see here, the object is resting on one of the triangular faces, shorter triangular face, that is smaller one. O dash, C dash, D dash is the triangular face that is on HP. The same triangular face is seen here as O dash, C dash, D dash as a line on XY. And since there are 3 points, this O dash, C dash, D dash represents the triangular face of that smaller face. And it satisfies all the requirements of the question, and hence the solution whatever we have got is the right answer. Friends, if you are happy with my presentation, don't forget to subscribe and share this information with all your friends. Have a wonderful day.